Welcome to video 12A in our Health in the Watershed Atlas project series. This video will focus on the first of four measures in the Ecosystems and Biodiversity sector, species intactness, in the Battle River Watershed Study Area, or BRW. Researchers use three indicators for this measure: mammal species intactness, bird species intactness, and plant species intactness. The Alberta Biodiversity Monitoring Institute defines species intactness as a measurement of biodiversity in a given area. Low scores reflect highly modified habitats due to human intervention. An abundance of a certain species may not necessarily indicate a healthy ecosystem because some species are invasive in nature and may appear abundant while the native species are threatened. The first map indicates mammal species intactness in the BRW, the first indicator for the species intactness measure. It provides a measure of human impact on animal populations. In this study area, the mean intactness for mammals is about 67%, so over 30% of the mammals we would expect to find here are absent. The first table shows the mammal species intactness by sub-watershed within the BRW, and it shows the percentage change between the years 2010 to 2018. Higher values reflect greater species abundance. The next indicator is bird species intactness. Birds are often used as an environmental indicator due to their sensitivity to habitat change and tracking ease. Table 5.2 indicates the bird species intactness by sub-watershed, with higher values reflecting greater bird species abundance. Figure 5.1 shows both the mammal and bird species intactness within each sub-watershed in the Battle River Watershed Study Area, and again, higher values reflect greater mammal and bird species abundance. The next map shows the bird species intactness. This map shows the relative intactness of bird species. Values closer to 100 represent complete intactness or no disturbance. The native grassland plant communities are incredibly important in the success of an ecosystem. Figure 5.2 shows the native plant species intactness within the subwatersheds. Plant species intactness reflects how species abundance has been impacted by human activity. In the BRW, the mean for native plant species intactness is 46%. The final map shows the plant species intactness in the BRW with values closer to 100, indicating greater native plant species intactness or no disturbance. Biodiversity is a useful indicator of the health of an ecosystem. Intact and functioning ecosystems will generally be diverse in animal and plant species and have high levels of species intactness. Some types of human activity can lead to a loss of species or native species being replaced with non-native or invasive species. Information about species intactness, biodiversity, and ecosystem health best regarded as only one piece of the puzzle in creating a policy environment responsive to changes in ecosystem function and effective in creating a climate where stakeholders are equally invested in supporting and maintaining healthy ecosystems. The provincial and federal governments, the Alberta Biodiversity Monitoring Institute, regional land use plans, and watershed management plans all contribute to producing critical information and creating buy-in from stakeholders. Please like and follow for more information on our Health in the Watershed Atlas project.